We ready? Start. The High Court further observed that the amended provisions of Act 2015 shall apply to the pending proceedings, and mere furnishing of no claim certificate would not take away the right of the parties, and it is open for adjudication before the arbitrator and appointed a retired judge of the High Court as an independent sole arbitrator under the impugned judgment in exercise of power under Section 11(6) of the Act 1996. Stop. Indisputedly, the request for the dispute to be referred to arbitration in the instant batch of appeals was received by the appellants much before the Amendment Act 2015 came into force, that is 23rd October 2015. Stopera. Mr. K. M. Natarajan, learned Additional Solicitor General, appearing for the appellants, submits that Section 12, including subsections 1 and 5, as also 5th and 7th schedule, has come into force by the Amendment Act 2015 with effect from 23rd October 2015, and indisputably in the instant batch of appeals, request to refer to the arbitration was received by the appellants much prior to the Amendment Act 2015. Stopera. In view of Section 21 read with Section 26 of the Amendment Act 2015, where the request has been sent to refer the dispute to arbitration and received by the other side before the Amendment Act 2015 has come into force, the proceedings will commence in accordance with the pre-amended provisions of the Act 1996, and in the given circumstances, apparent error has been committed by invoking Section 12(5) of the Amendment Act 2015 for appointment of an independent arbitrator without resorting to the Clause 64(3) of GCC as agreed by the parties, and in support of submission, learned counsel has placed reliance on the decision of this court in the case of Messrs. Aravali Power Company Private Limited versus ERA Infrastructure Engineering Limited 2017-15 as CC 32. Stopera. Learned counsel further submits that once the no claim certificate has been signed by each of the respondent, and after settlement of the final bills, no arbitral dispute subsists and the contract stands discharged, and they cannot be permitted to urge that they gave the no claim certificate under any kind of financial duress, undue influence, and even in support thereof no prima facie evidence has been placed on record. Stop. In the given circumstances, the appointment of an independent arbitrator by the High Court under Section 11(6) of the Act 1996 is not sustainable, and in support of submission, learned counsel has placed reliance on the decisions of this court in Union of India and others versus Master Construction Company 2011-12 SCC 349. Stop.